G+2 Daffodil Villa for sale or rent. Visakhapatnam prime location Yandada, Sriram Panorama Hills, east facing 267 square yards. G+2 villa అమ్మకానికి లేదా అద్దెకు కలదు. Spacious living room, family kitchen and dining, and 4 bedrooms with attached toilets and balconies. Garage for car parking. Specifications: walls, solid cement concrete blocks, flooring and skirting, vitrified tiles flooring in living, family kitchen and all the bedrooms except utility and balcony. Staircase, granite risers and treads, MS balusters and teakwood handrail with polish. మరిన్ని వివరాలకు సంప్రదించండి. ఫోన్ నంబర్ 9152303682. Thank you for watching Mass Magician YouTube channel.